Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present myself in front of
This role in English in my life because
Right now, Mr. Aditya, you are initiator of Team A. Team B, I'm so sorry, Team A is here, Team B is here. Okay, so you have to introduce yourself and you have to tell I'm an initiator of Team. Please, start.
first of all, good evening everyone.
Very good evening.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present myself in front of you.
Okay.
Right now, I am going to share my intro. I am Avadh. I belong to Awadh. I have completed 10 plus 2. And also, I am learning English spoken from Awadh college. There are 4 members in my family. My father is farmer. He is man of the world. My mother is housewife. She is kind-hearted lady. That's all about my intro. Right now, I am going to share my message. My message is that trust yourself. You can do this.
Okay, that's good. So you are an initiator of Team B.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Next one, Mr. You have to also introduce yourself.
First of all, a very good evening, everyone.
Very good evening to you.
Today, I have an opportunity to discuss with you. And myself, is Pandey. I am from Awadh, and I am completing my 10 plus 2 from MSW College. Right now, I am learning English spoken as well as I am doing ADCA. And there are 4 members in my family. My father is farmer. He is the man of the world. And my mother is housewife. She is very kind-hearted lady. My hobbies are playing cricket, volleyball, and reading books. That's all about my intro. And
So right now, next one you have to perform that. Okay.
First of all, very good evening everyone.
Very good evening.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present myself in front of you. Right now, I'm going to share my intro. My name is Mukesh Palestia. I belong to Awadh. I have completed 10 plus 2 and also learning English spoken from our college. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer. He is the man of the world. My mother is housewife. She is kind-hearted lady. My hobbies are playing cricket, reading book, and so on. Right now, I'm going to share my message. My message is that don't take it because
Okay, speak something loudly or speak something very slowly. Speak fast.
don't take it because
Okay. Fast.
then you are like don't mind your.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, so here I think Team B has done. So right now I'm going to perform to Team A. So here is Mr. Kaf is a initiator. So right now Mr. Kaf.
Everyone,
Very good.
thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. As you know, I am the initiator of Team A.
Yes.
Right now I am going to start the discussion.
Okay,
Where
just.
Mr. Anil introduce yourself.
Okay, just you have to.
First of all, very good evening everyone.
Very good
evening.
It is a very special day. We are sitting here discuss some important topic in this room.
Okay, so both team is ready.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ready everyone?
Yes, ready.
Ready everyone?
Yes, I'm ready.
Excuse me, ready everyone?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, that's what I can hear. So everyone is so excited. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay,
you are right.
so let's Team A, you have to start your discussion. First of all, you have to put up your point in front of Team B and start discussing.
As you
Please.
know, I am the initiator of Team A. So my first question is, why is English so important for you?
Okay, so the people ask to you, why is why is English language is important for you, for our future, for your future, for anything? Tell me, please. So, Mr. Vineet, let's start speaking.
As you know, nowadays are a modern day, and when we are going any other places like join any company or admit any school and institute, then every institute admire. I think prefer to discuss in English. So English is most important, and this is a international language. When we are going to any other place, when we are going to any other country, then when we know how to speak in English, then we conversate in and make many friends and meet new people and conversate with him and share our knowledge.
Okay, the people say that because of this English is important. Please. हाँ बातों को हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हुए मुंह बहार करते रहना बात
What are the things you like most about English, and what are the things you like least about the English?
Okay.
I like mostly to speak English, not learn grammar. I like only to speak frequently and in whose I discuss, whose I talk. A person understand what I want to say, and I think not important grammar, but some point important in grammar. So I think we want to main focus on our language frequency and clarity.
Of course,
That's
you
all.
have to build up yourself. Okay, so here, please. It's a good ask. Also, it's a good question. Favorite word in English, and why you like that this word?
Anyone?
Anyone that excuse me in the team, every words you have to from not see only one Mr. Min is going to speak, so I don't have to speak. You have to also
Yes.
speak. Here is no matter you are speaking very well or not, but you have to perform. Yes. So why you choose the dedication? Why?
Why you change the name to dedication?
Because a dedicated person achieve his goal in his life very fastly, and when he dedicated, then he do what any other people not do, because he have a discipline, and he have a best mindset, and the best way to achieve his goal and a good way.
In a good
So
way.
I think that's why dedication is very important for everyone to achieve his goal and make ourselves a great person and successful person in his life.
So here, initiator of the team, you have to also say that anything. Don't have to silent. You have to be a silent. You have to try to speak. Okay.
Again, repeat your question.
Okay. You have to again. You have
What is
to.
your favorite word in English and why? My favorite word in English relation.
Relation. Why you choose the relation?
Relation in this time role of English language in your life.
Okay. Role of English
What
language.
is role in English in my life? Because without English, it's not possible any job in a corporate society. Right now, I am pursuing BBA. Then BBA is that type of UG course, all subject in English and all faculty is in English.
Yes.
Without English, it's not possible to pass that type of exam. And after completed BBA, I am pursuing MBA. Then MBA is all courses about English. Without English, do not completed my goals. That's why.
Okay, that's very. So, Mister, you would like to add something about this, please?
Yes, I also would like to add something about English. English is very important because it connects to each other. When we go outside of the country like foreign America and England and other foreign countries, then there is only one language, that is English.
Of course, of
We
course.
can talk and we can share our thoughts and messages.
You have don't beat. You
Like
like to
Mr.
start.
Raj, nowadays English is very important. Then tell me, a person who don't know how to speak in English, can he survive in this modern world?
Okay, modern world. Well, how we can survive? How the people can survive? Good.
Yes, he can survive only where he is born.
Yes.
Like any person from India, then he can survive India, but not survive out of the India, out of the country. That's
But
why-
India's have a many language, like many language in India. So how he can survive every place in India?
there is no problem because everywhere you speak, there is many languages in India. If anyone wants to survive in India, then he had to learn many languages. Like you want to go South India, then he must speak Tamil.
Of course.
And
Living.
language is very important.
Okay,
You want to add something?
I include some points.
Yeah.
India is that country in
This country.
India is this country is very democratic country. After 20 to 30 kilometers, he changed the regional language.
Of course.
Many regional languages present in India. Mainly, Indian language is Hindi. Hindi is the official language in India. But many regional languages in India. It is South India, North India, West India are divided in many parts of this country. But Hindi
It is for you, your job, your future, your career.
That's good. Understood. Okay, let's see. Also, let's.
So nowadays English is very important for our job, please repeat the question.
Okay, this.
How is English is important for you in your job, in your career?
Nowadays English is very important for our career, for our future and for our job, because when we want to job any like an institute or any other company, then we know how to speak English because when we want to manage our customers and many more comes our company, then I think we want to communicate with in English. Then he prefer our company to grow and English is major language because this connect to our country to country and when we know how they is, then when we want to grow our job, then we go any other country and then I think our career is best. So that's why it is very important for our career, for our job, for our future.
Okay, good.
Please include something on this topic.
This play most important role in my life because this type of course I am doing without English is not possible. Without English, we are not survive in a foreign country. If we are not in regional language and English language in a foreign country. Right now, I'm pursuing BBA and after completing BBA and doing MBA, then I get job in a corporate society. Then corporate society is that type of job and society. Then many clients in foreign countries in your country, then you speak English. Okay. And without English, do not possible any deal in this country. Like this is very important.
Okay.
My other language is Hindi, but are going English language important.
Why are you saying that English language is important? Because our mother tongue is Hindi. Okay, that's very great.
Your mother language is English. Like America and England, but people their language as well, they is a different language. So that's why it is very important.
I include the point that question English is the Hindi is the mother language, so that's why I am using English.
Very important.
Of course, something is depend on like we are learning English language and we are talking about the importance of English. The person asked you, we are our mother tongue is the Hindi language. So why are it conversate about the importance of English?
Exactly, Hindi is the mother language, but Hindi is the mother language. Hindi is used in this country. Do not
We are going to learn English language and I think many people in India and other countries and other countries learn English language for our for making ourselves for grow ourselves. Then is there any country who learn Hindi? You know any country?
Okay, okay.
yes, I the mother language. Hindi is the mother language for India, but for foreign country used India Hindi mostly used Hindi because all cultural and all religions are mostly this in for our country. That country name is Mauritius. Mauritius are the second India in this foreign country. In the world. Many people, 90% people use the Hindi language and
There.
Hindi culture.
There.
Here, Mauritius. And all follow the Indian language, Hindi language, India culture, and all follow festivals of the India. That is Mauritius. Yeah, it is very
I also want to add some point. There are many countries, there are many countries around the world who try to speak Hindi, right? Like our body speaks, promote Hindi very and very well. That's why everyone wants to speak Hindi, but not many much, but in the world, few countries are speaking Hindi, like Mauritius and Japan and other countries.
But I listen Bollywood actors do not follow Hindi because many actors says Bollywood.
More,
Like this is not great.
Some kind of sound is coming down.
Sound come from I think bad.
Do you worry about making mistake in English?
When I'm speaking English and I try to speak fastly and frequently, then I always worry. Can I mistake in pronunciation? I mostly mistake in pronunciation. So I think this is my.
It's not kind of fear about the wording. Okay, it's not happen. If you
After learning English language, why field do you like to go?
what kind?
After learning English language, why field would you like to go?
Good.
I have completed my English spoken well and I am going right now. I am going in corporate sector. It is very time for studying like
See, which sector I go after learning English. Then I want to tell you, I am not learning English for going in sector. I am learning for conversate anyone and make bonding. So that's why English is everyone learning to English. That's why. And when you are going in sector, then English is compulsory. Then you want, then you use. And not some people learn English for going any sector when you are going any other country or when you are going any best company who compulsory speak English, then you learn English for going to any.
how your life change if you are fluent in English.
How?
Life not change, but I join some peoples and meet with and like make friendship and others. I think English they change my life and when I am going to another country for joining job or other thing, then I think English help me to talking to what I speak. Like in this day, learning speaking English, then tell me the future of a person who know only English language. Like in this era, 2% did not learn English language. Then tell me the future of a person who know only Hindi language.
Yes, there is a many features for that type of person who can't speak English. Like they can start business in country. They can start other startup like tea selling, burger selling, samosa selling. There is a very feature of people who can't speak English, but they cannot survive out of the country. But there is a much speak English.
This era. Love is you.
But when he yes, but when he get the success of business grow very rapidly, then he after make a business, then he start speaking English.
Provide right. Yes.
Many person do not speak in English. All politicians in our country do not speak in English. But many success achieve in your life. So therefore do not speak in English, but success achieve in your life. If you crack the JEE advanced and TET examination, then you directly go in IIT. If then after go to IIT, this type of atmosphere in college and IIT is also learned English.
I have answered. Do you think it is most difficult language than your regional language?
Okay, that's a nice answer you asked, Shubham.
Yeah, Mr. Tess.
What are they?
Understood.
Compliment.
Okay, just.
As compared to your regional language, like a person, a child who born in a in English environment